Hello everyone, welcome to this demo video of a warehouse management system that can allow you to manage your FBA shipments and shipments to various different platforms as well, like Blinkit, Blue, etc. The idea behind building this app is to help you manage all your outbound shipments to these various platforms. So let us start first with the platforms page. As you can see here, you can upload your own SKU matchers. These are basically telling the app that this is the particular Amazon SKU and this is your internal SKU that you use. So this is just to connect the Amazon SKUs to your internal SKUs and giving it all the information like ASIN, HSN, category, etc. And you can do the same for Blinkit as well. This particular file is completely customizable. So for OddPod, we use this format and this can be completely customized. Basically, this is to link the item ID or the platform related unique ID to your own internal SKU and product description. So once this is uploaded, let's now first look at the outbound shipments. An outbound shipment basically is when you are planning to send a shipment to Amazon, and each shipment can have many number of cartons. So as you can see, for Amazon, it is you can give an internal shipment code. There is a platform shipment ID. I'm just going to add test next to it. You can select the fulfillment center. Let's say I'm sending it to Bangalore. Shipment type is standard. It's a full truckload. The packing date is default to today, and let's set a deadline of 6th May. This TSV file is the file that you get from Amazon itself. So as you can see, I'm going to open that. So this is the outbound shipment file that you are creating. And as you can see in this Excel file, there are 217 SKUs and 4,932 units. So it has automatically fetched the SKU, the ASIN, FN SKU, and the quantity. Just to show you a preview of this particular file, I'm just going to open it. So it has the following columns. This is not opening in Excel file. So just open it. Yes. So shipment ID. As you can see, this is the file that you generate, I think, from Amazon, which you can directly upload here. So I'm just going to click confirm and create. And this outbound shipment has been saved. Now, this tracks the progress of how many boxes you have packed, how many cartons you have packed. And this gives an idea of all the SKUs in this particular outbound shipment. Let's start packing. So once I click on start packing, the status has changed from draft to packing. Now I'm going to go into cartons. And as you can see, this opens a new page where I can manage how many cartons I have. So let's say I'm creating a carton and the carton, every carton that you pack has a unique ID. So this can be scanned here. I think this should throw an error because as you can see, the carton box should have the following, the ID of Amazon, the shipment as the initial text. I'm going to click on start packing. So this is the first carton. Now you can start scanning here. I'm going to go to my page and I'm going to just take this and paste it here. Oh, sorry. This is a merchant SKU. I think it scans the ASIN, FN SKU. Yes. So it scans the FN SKU. That is the label, that is the barcode that's there on the label. And this clearly shows how many units are planned and how many are packed. So right now you can see there's one planned and one packed. So I'm just going to press enter and add to box. Now in this box, this carton has this particular SKU. You can keep adding on more items to the same carton. Let's say I have space for 10 products of this, so I'll just add 10 and I'll add it to box. Now this keeps track of this particular carton. Let's say this carton is full. I'll click on complete carton and complete it. As you can see, the carton is now completed. I can view or edit it. I can reopen the carton, make any changes. Now, in this way, I can go through the entire shipment. Let's create a new shipment, carton number 2, and start packing. Now, let's say I look up this and I pack all 10 items of this particular item and complete the carton. Now, if you go back to this shipment, you'll see it shows a live progress of how many items are packed in a percentage. It has 2 cartons. If I click on pending only, it shows all the pending items. Now, because this has a lot of items, the percentage is 0, but it shows a live tracker of the entire shipment. Along with that, there are a lot of actions that you can do. You can download a packing list, you can download a pick list, you can download a pending list. So this allows you to generate reports for this particular shipment. We also have a file manager. Suppose you want to upload certain invoices or order sheets. If I go to another order, click on files. As you can see, you can upload all sorts of files associated with this particular shipment, and it just stays here. You can download and delete it. And there is an option to add appointment details as well. So basically, once once an outbound shipment is packed, you can create an appointment. So this again is an Amazon specific feature where you can select the appointment date, appointment time, and it saves it. As you can see, this changes the appointment status to scheduled. Now, from here, you can always change the status. As you can see, there is a status picker. It can go from packed to build to shipped to reached the fulfillment center, and you can also close it. And if there is an appointment, the appointment status shows scheduled. There is a similar process for Blinkit outbound shipments as well. So this module helps you manage all your outbound shipments, all the shipments that are leaving from your warehouse towards these various platforms. And there's also one more option of creating support tickets. So let's say there is some uh, issue when the platform receives your order. So, and you create a support ticket. So you can record that support ticket here and track it as well. So you can create multiple support tickets. And as you can see, as soon as a support ticket is created, the status changes to discrepancy raised. This allows you to keep track of all the orders that are discrepancy raised. Since you're sending products and there's money involved, it's very important to keep track of all the shipments that have discrepancies so that you can resolve them. So if I go back to my support tickets and I click on resolve, it has resolved the support ticket and it's asking me to close the shipment, which I have done. And that's it for the outbound shipments. Let's take a look at the inbound shipment. So this is where you want to inbound a shipment into your warehouse from your vendor. Again, this is completely customizable. This involves, again, a reference number. I can just give a test loading number, receiving date, and there is a particular format which can be used. I'm just, yeah, there's a sample here. So as you can see, the SKU and the total quantity. So this is what the organization is going to receive. So I'm going to use that as an input, create it. It's giving me a preview of all the items, create shipment. And we are now in the inbound shipment page. Here we can start. Now, as you unpack your items, your cartons from the vendor, you can start scanning those SKUs and you can start inbounding. Let's say you have expected 216 and you have unboxed a carton with 100 items. You can enter 100 here and you can also track how many were damaged. Let's say two were damaged. Now, this starts saving it. Again, you open it, it shows 216 and there are received is 100. So let's say another 116 are received and out of that, 5 are damaged. Now, as you can see, this keeps going till you close it. And if you notice in the first line, it keeps a track of how many are expected, how many have been received, how many are damaged, and what is the good inventory. So this allows you to keep track of all the inbound shipments. Even this has a few actions like downloading a report and a files manager. So if you want to upload any invoices or anything like that. Now, the best part about this is completely editable. You can edit every row. You can change the quantity because sometimes you might want to update the items or you might want to add an item. So even this is possible. And yeah, this is a much more basic module. Like I said, this is completely customizable, both the outbound and inbound. And even the dashboard is completely customizable. We can do analytics of how quickly are we packing the cartons and how quickly are we unpacking the cartons, so on and so forth. So yeah, that was my presentation. Thank you so much for your time. If you are looking to digitize your process and if you're looking for a warehouse management software, something similar to this, please get in touch. I would be more than happy to consult and build this out for you as per your particular workflow. So the app adjusts to your workflow and you can move away from WhatsApp, Google Sheets, and managing it over email and make it centralized where everything is managed in one particular app. Thank you.